Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we had a little oops where we were sharing a screen and somebody's name came up. So I needed to learn how to blur out the names or blur out a face or something on a live. So of course I went to Google for some help and I'm going to share with you how to do it. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen and we're going to go into a completely different video. All right, so you should see my screen now and I'm going to go into a different live. Let's see, maybe an old one where I'm by myself. That way there I don't like accidentally ruin somebody else's live. So here's my screen. I have done quite a few lives, I must say. 220 lives. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to go into the practicing Zoom one. Why not? You're going to click on the video, go over here to the left-hand side and click Editor. Now, you have to wait until your video has finished processing in order to do this. So then you come down here and here is blur parts of your video. What? I didn't even know that. Face blur, custom blur. So let's see. I don't know that I want to blur out anything on this one, but custom blur. So let's see. I can blur something, maybe my name out for a minute. Ah, ta-da. I didn't even know that was a thing. You can make a rectangle, an oval. Fix the blur position, oval. Wow, this is pretty neat. So this is important things, especially if you go live a lot like I do. And sometimes I'm like, oh, I wish I could fix that. Or, oh, I didn't even know this was a thing. So you can custom blur, track objects. Wow, I'm pretty excited about this. Maybe I'm the only one, but let me know in the comments below. Did you know how to use the blur function on YouTube? Is this video helpful? Okay, well, hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. I have videos on lots of different things. Whenever I need to find something or learn how to do something, I usually send it out to all of you. I have lots of interviews and talking to people, things about teaching. I was a kindergarten teacher, still am a certified kindergarten teacher, and I teach online ESL. I also teach for OutSchool. So if you have questions, comments, concerns, put them below and let me know. All right, everybody, have a great day. Goodbye.